like this, there are many SLPs being filed.
Yes, already given the table of the Ramesh also
There are
given
13
table.
SLPs, Your Lordships.
Yes, all the SLPs petitions are different. No one is there.
12 SLPs are filed by contract lecturers, Your Lordship.
Yes,
One
that-
SLP is filed by unemployed. Your
Madam,
Lordship.
in one of the across last there is also parties are different. They also approach the Supreme Court for granting of leave. One of the order we rounded the names.
Sir,
The HOD addressed me a letter that the seeking some more time to otherwise last time observed that if there is no order from Supreme Court.
yes, sir. No. I have seen the impedance of the technical education only basing on the Secretary General opinion only. They not stop giving the second allocated increment. What the item, Ramesh, item 27? Yes, sir. You are not read in the Supreme Court order mentioning only legal of the Secretary General. I think.
The office of the
Yes, I think your office is given the opinion, sir. Mention without mentioning any.
Lord, in this matter, my lord, the comprehensive view was taken because there are several SLPs that were filed, and department, my lord, came
Sir,
on
I have
to-
seen the orders of the Supreme Court only
yes, my lord.
with regard to service status quo with regard to the petitioner's service condition, not about the
Now-
who are the employees of the petitioners.
May I say this, my lord? There is about, my lord, the earlier round, my lord, GOMS number 16 was challenged.
Sir,
where the-
reverse of regular service of the petitioners.
True, my
How
lord.
can
I'm
you stop? You are against the orders of this court file. I think you are also filed, not filed an appeal against this orders of the revision bench.
No, my
You are
lord,
not filed?
we are actually, we were asked to file a review, my lord, but then the matter is still pending with the decision with the.
Revision bench says that your continuous service of the already regularized.
True, my
Then
lord.
you have to constructing the work. They have to give the second annual increment.
Yes, my lord, may I only say this?
We
my lord,
don't
when-
want. We wanted to save the money for time being. Not giving the
No,
increment.
my lord,
That's all.
it's
They are
not
ready to
about-
get the increments.
No, it's not about that, my lord. The
Yes,
whole
sir.
issue, my lord, because when GMS number 16 was put to challenge before the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, what the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, there's two kinds of people, my lord. People who were aggrieved by the order, people who were beneficiaries of order. Both went, my lord. We were actually taken back because people who were benefited from
What
the
is the
order
meaning?
also.
Status quo without services. They mention services of petitioners therein. Not
Service-
all the. They're
Now,
not
my
mentioned.
lord,
I have
they
seen
are-
the one order. Show me the order.
To
Supreme
continue,
Court order.
page 99 of my
Your
petition.
petition, sir.
Yes, my lord. Page 99 of my petition. 97
Now
it
the
starts.
issue, my lord, which has come up is, my lord, because there is
In
several
fact,
persons from the same
opinion of
department.
Advocate General has been referred to government, my lord. They have not even accepted that. Lakshmi, can- sorry.
Your case, the technical
my
education already basing on the extended education letter.
They are
Now
not
stop the
they are not
extended
agreeing with
agreement.
the
That is
opinion
important.
of the-
That is Ramesh matter.
Page 99, Lakshmi, kindly see.
Intermediate education, they are not passing letters.
Yes.
Again, they refer to the
Yes,
Government.
Government, my lord.
in their matter already passed by the commission passed orders, technical
Yes.
education.
In the meantime, status quo with regard to status of service of the applicants, petitions to continue.
Meantime, status quo with regard to the status of the services of the applicants.
Yes, my lord,
To continue. What does it mean? Status of the
May I
petitioners
say
means
this, my lord? It was.
you are regular already. You are giving all the benefits. Status means.
I may only say this, my lord. Before the Honorable Supreme Court, one SLP is seen, but there's so many petitioners like that, my lord. About 12 to 15 SLPs came.
Yes, sir. I
Intervention-
have said that is the reason.
Then
We wanted to
intervention-
produce all the documents. What
Madam,
the orders? GP. 1 minute, sir. Last occasion, GP one time got all. Why? What is the problem, sir? You
Intervention.
can get the, within 5 minutes. You get the copies from the Honorable Supreme Court. All the statuses.
Apart, my lord, the other difficulties, apart from the SLPs, intervention applications are many. My
That is
lord,
different aspects, sir.
Too many people.
You are
in the-
no, that, you are no way concerned. Once you are regular service of the petitioners, this court also upheld their
True, my lord.
regulation. You have to release the second annual increment. Why
my
not?
lord, the my only
Sir,
respect.
you don't want to remove those petitioners herein.
No, my lord,
Then
no removal.
You have to
My-
continue service of the petitioners.
True,
You have to pay the second annual increment.
My only respectful submission is, my lord, when the Honorable Supreme Court has granted that, my lord, the probation was not declared for any of the persons.
Then
Now the difficulty would be, my lord, by granting second increment, it would amount to declaration of probation, status of services of the petitioners, my lord, of.
yes, sir. That have to come
That-
out to Supreme Court, sir. That is a different aspect, sir. Supreme Court will decide all these things. But you have to
That
pay.
clarification we
No, no,
saw.
except they are ready to continue, sir. They are ready to
Yes,
continue.
yes.
This government also not stop with the declaration.
True, my lord, true, my
Then you have to pay the annual increment.
We have advised the AOR, my lord, to file a clarification petition, my lord, because for the simple
No,
reason
no,
it
on
should
that
not.
ground you cannot stop the increments.
In fact, my lord, in my case, my lord, they are granted already to second increment.
I can recover.
Now they are stopped third increment. only on the ground that my lord.
I think intermediate only one increment, I think, not
Yes,
second
no,
increment.
Increments in
my
May
case, my lord,
2024,
they
one
have granted
increment.
Intermediate they
of the
granted,
staff
my lord.
third increment.
If I, to my
Second, I
knowledge,
think second is
Granted,
25
madam.
only, huh?
to my knowledge, intermediate also, some of them, second increment was
No, no,
granted.
all of
Some
them.
colleges have granted,
Not for
the
all.
principals have granted. My lord,
No,
that's
no.
to my knowledge.
That is the reason, already written to the bills also.
I think
I have
so.
some knowledge. Huh?
Cases, my lord, in technical education, all the
Written to them, huh? D was instructed to
There is
take written to their bills and resubmit. Huh?
my respectful submission is, my lord, we'll place some more data is there, we'll place it, my lord. Your lordship's
In
my
fact, we
kind,
have
because I
written
think
out all the-
This
I
is
am,
third
I am,
times.
I am here, my lord, not in this matter, my lord.
Yes, yes, yes. No, no, but you have knowledge about this, all these things.
Yes,
Huh?
one more submission, my lord. In fact, my lord, similar issue, my lord.
No, no,
We
specifically,
gave is-
1 minute.
we
Specifically
were-
mentioned, basing on Regarding General legal opinion only, they are not stopped with the second
we
increment.
were- we
On that
were-
ground, we can set aside the order also. We can
No,
pass orders, into
What
orders
we,
also.
no, my lord, what we have said, my lord, because the Honorable Supreme Court has passed several orders, is an abundant caution.
I have seen the opinion, where is copy with you, opinion?
It is not.
Last time I have seen the opinion.
Yes, my lord, I am aware.
తిరిగి ఇచ్చేసాను కదా మీకు లేదా దగ్గర మీకు ఇచ్చేసాను ఆ రోజున
I seems bloody. I don't want to see bloody.
Because it is a communication between the
Yes, I have
department.
seen.
That's why, my lord, it was only
You know where
placed
mention-
before your lordship in
moreover,
a sealed cover.
Additionally, nowhere mention about SLP numbers also. Simple said, Supreme Court said SLP status quo granted. There is a reason not to release the second increment. How can it is the?
I'll just verify, my lord. I am not, I don't
Yes,
remember.
sir.
it.
That's my pass orders, my lord, because none of the cases, my lord, we are not the petitioners, not respondents.
Yes, sir.
Before the SLP.
Only specifically mentioning Supreme Court also
Yes.
with regard to status of the service of the applicants and public petitioners to continue. That's all.
I-
Status means they are regular employees, continue, they give you all the benefits also. So continuing.
In particular, in my case, my lord, technical education, they are already granted second increment, third increment, they prepared bill. I my lord, by workshop, the opinion, my lord, now they returned, my lord, third increment.
Written and also they are mentioning given proceedings also. That is page number
Page number, my lord.
27 item.
Yes. Page number 73, my lord.
73.
Yes.
Sir, Rahul, see the item number 27, WP. What they say in the input order?
Or 8, my lord. Reference is, my lord, opinion of the.
Para number 3. Page number 74, para 3. That is not the para number 3 of page number
I am-
74.
Yes, my lord.
They are quoting your opinion and pass. Pass this input order.
Many times, bloody, we are instructing them.
That is the problem. Writing, there is problem for you.
Hey,
Huh?
usually it's a privileged communication, my lord, an opinion. My lord, they may consider.
How can
they may not-
they
That's
mention
it.
here also all these things?
That's it.
You know, in view of your keeping in view of your opinion only, then now pass this input orders.
That what we also suggest
I have seen our letter
as an
also.
abundant caution, my lord, we also ask the AOR to take steps to get some clarification, because
They will not,
we-
they have no urgency, sir. Now petition urgency.
We
They are
only-
losing their increments.
Our
Their
own-
urgency already 1 year, 2 years over now.
that our only apprehension is we should not overrun the orders of the
Sir, there
Honorable
is no
Supreme
order,
Court.
sir.
my lord.
Your regular services.
That's
This judgment also.
true, my lord. That
accept
is
your,
true, my lord. Our
uphold
only
your
apprehension was that
declaration. You have to pay the annual increments.
they asked, my lord, because our only apprehension is tomorrow, my lord, the
What is
Honorable
your opinion?
Supreme. No, my lord, no, my lord. No, my lord.
The officer address letter, we need some time for furnishing of the total information. There are many petitions being filed.
Because I think there were about hundreds of them, my lord, not a few. I totally see,
That
my
is
lord.
different
If
aspect,
petitions-
sir.
Many,
There are junior
even,
college, I think more than 4,000 or 3,000 junior college lecturers.
Yes.
even in
Polytechnic
January,
also, how many, sir?
13,
1300. 1300. No one is in a party, almost. Only 5 or 6 are party. More, there are also status quo, they are mentioning status quo with regard to their services conditions. Means you have to continue their
no, my
pay
lord.
also.
The word they used is status of service of the petitioner. My lord, status would mean, my lord, if he is in probation, he will continue. My lord, he can't status of service of petitioner.
Petitioners to
He
continue.
can, then
That is
particular
where-
petitioner only done. Then you can take it like that. Only
That's
particular
exactly,
petitioner,
my
not for
lord,
all the
the
petitioners.
wordings, my lord,
Huh?
Who filed the SLP?
Yes, yes,
so
yes.
we were very, my lord,
They're
surprised.
helpful. Then they're helpful. That
We
is-
would
that is
usually
different
see,
aspect.
my lord, orders would be very typical, my lord. They'll say status quo of the service. My lord. This order was very specific, my lord. We were trying to figure out why such an order came. Status quo with respect to service of the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Very
But they are not-
specific.
they are not the petitioners.
But hundreds of them came, my lord. That's why maybe they are seeking some more time, my lord. I'm not aware. But,
Technical
about-
education is concerned, no SLP is filed, my lord.
It's all intermediate board. To my knowledge, most of them were intermediate only, my lord.
Only junior lecturers, my lord, insofar as
But I
technical
am
education, my lord, no
yet to ascertain on
SLP is
that.
filed, my lord. I verified, my lord.
Because last time when we were trying to pull down, my lord,
Sir, I am morning go teacher Ramesh garu
we
morning.
got about 20 SLPs. Then we were trying to draw, my lord, more and more intervention applications. IAS,
It is only
13,
13,
my
my
lord,
lord,
the
not 20.
sheet itself was going into pages, my lord.
Only
So
13 SLPs, not 20. Only 13 SLPs.
13 and then intervention applications were there.
అందరూ మేము ఎవరు వేయలేదు సార్.
Not even
But there is no order from the IAS who are filed IAS. They have no orders for the order.
orders, my lord, they granted similar order for everyone. My lord, I am only, my lord, I'm not on anything, my lord. I'm only saying that
that-
some time may be granted.
No, no,
Right.
3 weeks time
Your
has been
lordships
granted
would
by your
grant the
lordship.
same order, my lord.
Sufficient time has been
Sir,
granted.
IAS are there, but none of the IAS have been allowed in the SLPs, your lordship. IAS are pending. All the implead applications with
Yes.
regard to the SLPs.
Yes, CP.
All
Huh?
the SLPs are, all the IAS are pending, your lordship. None of the IAS have been allowed.
Why they are filing, we surprised.
When they have a favorable order, why should they be going, my lord? That's something very surprising to us. Why would they go and invite an order for themselves?
No,
None of
none,
the petitioners have gone.
no
They have a-
regularized employees have filed.
None of the petitioners have filed any petition.
No,
No,
not
the
the
precautions, sir,
not the
precautions.
petitioners
Suppose
as in-
Supreme Court allow the entire writ petition, they will.
No, my lord,
support.
they-
That is what they wanted to. Precautions they wanted to.
but
Say something.
but inviting an order against themselves is surprising. my lord.
No, thank you. Also, right, that such finding is there, they protect the.
Yes, yes, yes.
On the ground that they are not parties to the.
Yes, yes, sir. That is the reason they want precautionally they want to file the implead petitions, all the SLPs.
No, my lord, the honorable division bench, my respectful submission, my lord, clarified that all such of those persons who are already regularized shall not be disturbed.
Yes, yes, yes. That is
So
the
there was no reason for anyone to go because everyone was protected. To my understanding, everyone was protected. Why? Where we
We are
were,
seeking additional increments.
Nobody is going.
not petitioners, but persons who had a beneficiary order in High Court.
No, no
But
one filed.
going-
There's
All
no
the
one filed.
SLPs
Now the
have,
petitioners have gone to
all the
Not
SLPs
these-
have been
Not
verified, your
these
lordships.
petitioners, my lord, but persons who are before the honorable,
That's why I crossed it there. 3 persons are there. It is separate petition.
very,
No, no. Telangana Government Qualified Contract Vocational Regulators Association.
Rounded, that names are rounded.
few, but unknowingly they are going, my lord. I don't know why.
Parties is the other way, other WP.
Now,
Corporation Suresh, the
Your
respondent,
lordship,
sir.
he is a respondent.
Sir, SLP respondent is,
By default also, he'll be a respondent to lordships.
they are mentioning, sir, this is cassette of the writ petition, sir. This respondent in here, writ petition. This is cassette SLP.
They are
Someone other file.
they are
Sir,
In the SLP also, he is a
SLP filed by
respondent.
the government, Telangana
Even
Government
the
Qualified
SLP
Contract
respondent.
Lecturers. Suresh not filed, SLP. Filed by the government, Telangana Government Qualified Contract Vocational Lecturers
Or-
Association.
He's a
SLP,
SLP also is respondent.
he
Made
is respondent
party.
only, but
respondent.
not a petitioner.
Yes.
Intimates granted only for this for petitions only. How can you now stop
That's
the
also-
respondents benefit?
My only submission is this, my lord. When they all had benefit, they were all why they went. We are not able to. That's where, my lord, we sought some time for clarifying because we were under the pretext that the honorable division bench has served everyone's protection.
Sir,
Honorable
no,
division
no.
bench has protected
Contract
everyone.
lecturers who are not at regularized, they have filed writ petitions.
Yes.
That is the, now give the copy. You have a copy that table. Give the particulars also. Who are
Who are
filed,
not-
all the 13, 15 writ petitions,
13.
SLPs also, see the, now Ramesh given this. Landscape paper. Rahul, this is
Yes, my
landscape.
lord. Yes, my lord.
They given the petitioner's prayer. That is,
I see that, my lord.
that is the reason they are given status quo orders for them only. No regular services of the canon.
After short time, we will publish the
Not
information.
3 weeks time has been granted by your lordship, my lord.
Whatever the officer performance.
Then we are. You fail to get a section, I will pass in the next time. I will pass in the next time. Only. Then give for services or seek for that time. Post after 2 weeks, for getting sections post up 2 weeks finally. Yes, sir. Yes, చెప్పండి. Sections. Finally, yes, sir. On the day I will pass in the matters. సార్ అది చెప్పించారా ఓ మాట దాంట్లో ఐటమ్ నెంబర్ 26 డిలీట్ చేయించేది విత్డ్రా రాసేసేది రాసేసారా అది రాసింది అది నెక్స్ట్ ఆ కేసు ఒకటి వెళ్దాం.
Lordship, without having any jurisdiction and the first respondent has terminated the services of the
Yo,
petitioner.
file amendment prayer, sir.
Yes, amendment petition is filed, my lord, prayer.